Alright, now we're going to tell the robot to go home.
Start auto charging.
Oh, it's cooking.
There's the base. Base is on. Here's the robot.
Hey, check this out.
And it's just it just will not find its way to the base. Sorry, I'm trying to take a video here explaining how this robot does not want to work properly. So I'm just gonna power it off because the whole process is doing it. Now I'm gonna pick up the robot to kind of show you the robot underneath. There's nothing that's working correctly. The spinners work, the wheels work. The device itself, it's not full, pretty clean. Everything seems to be in working order, except for the fact that it's not working.